Line and staff aspects of HRM. Organizing the personal function. The process of creating an organization structure is known as organizing. It is a process by which employees, facilities, and tasks are related to each other in order to achieve goals. Hierarchical organizations. From G to 2 hierarchical organizations like that, like that. Here, arrow, 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 arrow. Line relationship. Line authority is the type of authority that reflects superior subordinate relationships. This is the most fundamental authority in an organization, characterized by power of decision making. Line authority is the predominant component used in the companies with a line organizational structure where direct lines of authority flow from top management and the line of responsibility flow in the opposite direction. Line authority is a top down approach to management where the decisions are made by top management and communicated to the lower level staff in hierarchy, a system in which employees are ranked according to relative status. Line authority is a less complicated way of allocating responsibility since every employee is clear regarding his or her position and clear lines of authority and responsibilities allocated to them. However, since this is top-down approach, it often results in one-way communication. Decisions are taken by the top management and the complaints and suggestion of low-level staff may not be communicated back to the top authority. Low-level staff are closer to the customer, thus their experience and suggestions should be incorporated in decision making. Structure of line organization. Board of Director, President, President to Vice President Marketing, Vice President Operations, Vice President Finance, then arrow to Vice President HRD. This is Vice President Operations, President to Vice President Operations, Manager, Shop Floor, Deputy Manager, Assistant Manager, Supervisor, Worker, 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 Flow of responsibility up the line, Flow of authority down the line. Staff relationship. Staff authority refers to the right to advise on improving the effectiveness for line employees in performing their duties. Staff personnel are generally independent employees who don't report to the line managers. These are highly specified individuals, thus are employed for their expert knowledge and the ability to add value to the company. Staff relationship. Staff managers complement the work of line managers since line managers can focus more time on routine activities and related decision making when specialized work is carried out by staff personnel. Note here is the staff relationship. Staff managers complement the work of line managers since line managers can focus more time on routine activities and related decision making when specialized work is carried out by staff personnel. It is vital that both and staff personnel work closely in collaboration to ensure efficiency of operations. It is vital that both line and staff personnel work closely in collaboration to ensure efficiency of operations. Line and staff organization chart from Chief Executive Officer to Production Manager, from Production Manager to Foreman, from Foreman to Workers, from Production Manager to Economist, from Production Manager to Legal Advisor, from Economist to Marketing Manager, from Legal Advisor to Finance Manager, from Production Manager to foreman workers. From production manager to foreman workers. This is note. Straight line represent line and broken lines represent staff. Note. Straight lines represents line and broken line represents staff. It is staff, 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 staff. Line, 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 line. Personal management is a line responsibility. Personal management is a line manager's responsibility but a staff function. Management of personnel in different departments is the responsibility of the concerned functional head. Every manager is a personal manager. Personnel management is a staff function. Specialized assistance is required to line managers through personal managers. Staff assists, advises, and informs line managers from time to time. This allows line managers to concentrate on their technical operations. Difference between line and staff authority. Line authority, right to decide and command. Staff authority, right to provide advice, assistance, and information. Line authority contributes directly to the accomplishment of organizational objectives. Staff authority assists line in the effective accomplishment of organization objectives. Line authority relatively unlimited and general. Staff authority relatively restricted to a particular function. Line authority flow downward from superior to subordinate. Staff authority may flow in any direction depending upon the need of advice. Line authority creates superior and subordinate relation. Staff authority extensive of line and support line. Line authority creates superior and subordinate relation. Staff authority extension of line and support line. Line authority access control. Staff authority investigates and reports. Line authority makes operation decision. Staff authority provides idea for decision. Line authority bears final responsibility for results. Staff authority doesn't bear final responsibility. Line authority doing functions. Staff authority thinking function. Line authority provides channel of communication. Staff authority no channel of communication is created. No channel of communication is created in case of staff authority. Staff role of the HR department. Policy initiation and formulation, advice, service, monitor and control. Organization of personal HR department. HR department a line organization. Line structure is a type of structure in which authority flows in a direct line from a superior to a subordinate. Each employee knows who is the superior and who has authority to issue order to whom. Managers has full authority in their area of operation and are responsible for final results. From chief executive to HR manager, from chief executive and HR manager to recruitment manager, training manager, compensation manager, welfare officer, industrial relations. Personnel or HR department in functional organization. Chief executive, personnel manager, recruiting officer, training manager, compensation manager, welfare officer. From recruiting officer to assistants, all training manager also to assistants, compensation manager also to assistants, welfare officer also to assistants. Personnel or HR department in line and staff organization. Chief executive, from chief executive to personnel manager, from personnel manager to recruiting officer, training manager, compensation manager, welfare officer. From recruiting officer to assistants, from training manager to assistants, from compensation manager to assistants, from welfare officer to assistants. Note here, straight line, dark line is line relationship, dotted line is a staff relationship. Note here, full line is line relationship, dotted line is a staff relationship. This is a staff relationship between recruiting officer and welfare officer. Also maybe between training manager, compensation manager. Then there is a line, full line. There is a staff relationship between recruiting officer and welfare officer. So there can be both line relationship and staff relation between recruiting officer and welfare officer, and also in between training manager to compensation manager. Personal HR department individualized organization structure. The full line denotes line relationship. The total line denotes staff relationship. Managing director, from managing director to general director. There is a dotted relationship between general manager and manager human resources. There is a dotted relationship between general manager and manager marketing, between general manager and manager finance, between general manager and manager production, between general manager and manager R&D. There is a line relationship between manager marketing, between general manager and manager marketing, between general manager line relationship between general manager and manager finance, line relationship between general manager and manager production, line relationship between general manager and manager R&D, line relationship between general manager and manager human resources. Line relationship between general manager and officer human resources. Line relationship between general manager and manager central region. A line relationship also to the from general manager to manager southern region. Line relationship also from general line relationship of general manager to line relationship general manager to line relationship of general manager to manager southern region, manager central region, manager northern region. Deputy manager marketing, deputy manager production, deputy manager human resources, branch manager Nagpur, branch manager New Delhi, branch manager Bombay, to then also to officer human resources. Then general manager to manager southern region, manager central region, manager northern region. The manager central region to deputy manager, manager production, deputy manager marketing, deputy manager human resources. Then deputy manager, from deputy manager production to branch manager Nagpur, branch manager New Delhi, branch manager Bombay. Then from branch manager New Delhi to officer marketing, officer production, line relationship to officer human resources.